Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, whenever this this demo may find you. My name is Jasper, CEO of INED Enterprises, and today we got another demo showcasing our services, our skills, what we do as a company, and we are going to showcase to you a listing property management tool. Now, please be mindful, even though this is dedicated for the real estate agents, it's just showcasing what we do. While we do help a lot of different business niche, just want to show you something as well, different niche. In our last video, we showed, if I'm not mistaken, the event planner. If you haven't had seen it, definitely take a look at that. Of course, after this video, hello, right? But without further ado, let's get the intro rolling, and I'm going to just show you this quick, simple demo video. So let's have some fun. All right, cool. So everything was created, of course, on a demo basis. Logo, this is something we do. You browse around. Real estate agent. Say hello to Joyce. Hi, Joyce. All right, cool. So we have the properties. You view it. Predominantly showing it's Orlando, Florida property. Orlando, Florida business, but I don't know the legalities, but I'm just showing you like, hey, companies, houses in different states, ideas, prices. Once you go into these, you can hit view details. Once you go into view details, it shows you a quick description of the house itself, date listed to be announced. If you want to get more info, it'll definitely take you to the about us section. The get in touch section. So as you could see, we have visit us, address, contact us, info, find us elsewhere. Let's see, you say hello, team will be in touch. Let's see here. We have the sell option. When you go to sell, we have it created so that way, hey, get your house appraised, reach out to us. What makes this so interesting is for real estate agents, this is a good way to manage a property. At the same time, you can receive all your inquiries. It'll go on a database type site. So I guess what I'm trying to say is when you utilize something as simple as this, all your information will be structured for you so you could easily help manage your clientele information that comes in. If we go back to the buy and you see the current listings, right? You have it filtered, so you could do a 3-bedroom. If there's any 3 bedrooms, you could do 5 bedrooms. If there's any 5 bedrooms, you could filter by continent, North America, Europe. You could filter it by the name of the address. Apparently there's no 1 bedroom because they're houses, right? 2 bedrooms, same, What I like about this is the clients will be able to see this information. They have no login needed to just browse. However, your role, of course, like I said, their inquiries, their selling appraisal inquiries, just getting to know you inquiries, all of that will be sent to you on a database. Of course, you'll get that notification. You could get it in your email as well if you have the settings on here. It's so much ways to manage this. It's so simple. We try to make it as simple as possible, just trying to introduce new ways for you and how we can help you continue to, manage your business better, using simple tools just to keep up with the times, and just straight manage. We're just here just trying to provide simple business solutions. You scroll down a little bit more, just showing a quick run through. About us, buy, sell. As you could see, 2024 real estate property listing created by us. It's not that much to show rather than just the power of how we create a listing property management tool for real estate agents. Now, if you want this built, right? Let's say like, oh, this is cool. Can you show me how to build it? Hey, links in the bio, links in the description. More than happy to help show you how to get it done. More than happy to show you how to build it. Very straightforward. Or you may be the type like, you know what? Can you build this for me? Once again, links all in the description below. More than happy to help. More than happy to to be part of the team, show you how we can help with your business as you focus on the other things. We can take care of things like this. With that being said, it's not really that much. It was just another moment of us showcasing demo tools of how we can build, with the tools we have here at INED Enterprises, a bunch of no-code tools. With that being said, be on the lookout. More demos to come. Let's see, something else I want to say. Oh yes, definitely like, subscribe, share the video to others. Always be on the lookout. Make sure to follow the podcast. We have stuff going on the podcast as well. Let's see, what else? Twitter, we have a lot of feeds. We give out good, juicy knowledge on there. Like I said, all the information below in the YouTube description about how to get in contact with us, how to inquire about anything. We are here to help. With that being said, thank you so much for tuning in. Sorry it took so long. Try to do my best to keep it under 10 minutes with these YouTube videos. But with that being said, until then, see you next time. God bless. Stay safe.